this happened?
You know, it's so crazy. I was here. I was at this very place in Infinity Mall on the 26th of 11. I just realized that. There was a film premiere and I was in the audience and everybody's phone started to ring and they had to stop the show. And we gathered in the foyer and that's when we knew.
You know, I have a crazy story. I was, we were, all coming up and working with Bhatt Saab, and we were all strugglers in the Vishesh films. So Shahana Goswami, she had, I think, got a house in Yari Road or somewhere, and there was these old friends, and she's like, come over to my house and we should have a party. So Shagufta and Shahana and all of us were there, and we were having a party there. And then Bhatt Sahab just came in. Bhatt Sahab came in and he started, he just entered and he's like, put the TV on, put the TV on. And we were dancing and we were just having fun. And he started to watch TV and he's like, there is terrorist attacks happening. And then we went to Shana and we were like, what should we do? Should we go home now? Should we continue partying? What should we do? So she said, the Bhatt Sahab said, nobody should leave now, just wait. So we were at a bunch of 20, 25 people partying at Shahna's house, and then Bhatt Sahab broke it to us. Otherwise, we didn't know. So this, I remember it very.
मैं तो एक टैक्सी में जो 26/11 का जब वहाँ पे हो रहा था, हमें पता नहीं था, मैं ट्रैवल कर रही थी पूना के लिए, और एक टैक्सी में ब्लास्ट जो पार्ला में हुआ था, मैं उसके अपोजिट साइड में पूना के लिए वोल्वो बस में बैठी थी और उसके अपोजिट साइड में थी, और हमें समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि ये हो क्या रहा है। इतना इर्द गिर्द कभी पार्ला में इतना ट्रैफिक देखा है लेकिन इतना नहीं देखा है, लेकिन ये कुछ गड़बड़ है। लेकिन उस समय पे इतना सोशल मीडिया और ये सारी चीज़ें एक्टिव नहीं थी, और बाद में जाके पता चला कि